Okay, the weather is what I was waiting for, and we've got basically 4 or 5 days of great weather here on the mountains, so the bike is coming off. So before going out on the motorbike, there's one last job that I need to do, and that is remove the stitches from last time. So giving it a clean up. I had a lovely Spanish nurse in Newport that put them in, and I'm going to see if I can get these out myself. Bit of sterilisation, might have some brandy later, but I won't be using the bike again.